The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Georgia Railroad Administration. Some people had issued there was a very loud train horn, and people had died due to the train running them over. And they had been watching Southeast Rail, and they got jump scared by this train. Residents are advised not to watch any of these videos. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Many children were saying that they were being scared by a creepy and bloody and destroyed train. And residents are advised not to watch any of the videos. If you do, you'll get a bloody and destroyed train on your television screen. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Georgia Railroad Administration. This train is identified as Canadian National 5252.exe. This train is very dangerous and should not be approached, and its engine is killing some engines with big train runovers. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Georgia Department of Transportation. This train also has a friend. This is a Kansas City Southern 4572EXE. These trains are dangerous and should not be approached. Also, the U.S. military will deploy to scrap those two evil trains, including the Dino Heroes too. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Georgia Department of Transportation. The two EXE trains are successfully killed, and they were sent to a scrapyard to be scrapped. Thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. As normal programming may now resume.